What is going on, everybody? We are live. Let me take a look at my audio right now as I'm waiting for the. Here it is. There you go. Audio looks perfect and sounds perfect. My chat is right here open. Hey, we got the first people coming in. Fam! Oscar Ramos live. How's everybody doing? Man, I mean, honestly, fam, we need to talk. We need to have a conversation. Okay, everything looks good. I'm having my phone here. The price of Shiba Inu, you have it. You have also coin market cap. We're gonna be opening, the bubbles. We're gonna be opening a lot of things. As you're coming in, if you want more fam to come in, more people to learn, to go through the pain, the sorrow, the initial burden, what I call the shakes before the pump, do me a favor and smash the like button right now, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Welcome, because this is April 1st. We're starting, the month, I believe, with some blood on the streets. But, guys, aren't we already prepared for stuff like this, right? The total cryptocurrency prices by market cap, we're looking at 2.58 trillion, a 3.44% decrease in the market cap, which means that we're not even close to the 20%. We're not even close to the 15%, guys. So no panic. That's the first thing I'm gonna say to you. No panic, right? This is expected. I went in on Shiba Inu. I'm holding my position. I knew there was an opportunity for going down. I knew there was an opportunity for consolidation at 30. So I have $6,000 to spend on my BingX account. So I bought $300 of Shiba Inu. I bought $50 of Shiba Inu. I already bought some positions on Shiba Inu. So I need to buy 147 million more Shiba Inu, guys. So yours truly gets to the 1 billion level. And my plan is to stay there at the 1 billion level for a while, because I know that, and I'm going to get closer here, I know that we are eventually going to be pumping back up, right? So we got 200 people already watching. Hello, everybody, from where you guys watching us from. So we got all kinds of people, saying, writing up, not selling, miss your Jasmine videos. More, I'm, holding Jasmine too. So let's go, guys. Let's go ahead and start speaking. First thing I'm saying is, well, Bitcoin at last breaking the $70,000. And I'll tell you something, because I've been in this space for a while and I know. It was, in a way, we just need to be prepared, right? A little bit expected to see this breakdown, because 20 days, and I told you many times, like, guys, we still have, anything can happen, in this 20 days. One of the reasons that even though I went in, I still have some cash. I think positions that long-term scenario, big macro, big caps, call it Cardano, call it Ethereum, call it Shiba Inu, call it Cronos. I'm not talking about meme coins right now, okay? I'm not talking about meme coins. I'm not talking about the micro caps. I'm not talking about bread. I'm not talking about, all the very highly volatile ones. No. I'm talking about the ones in the top 100 that you and I know are gonna do phenomenal, but right now are bleeding a little bit. So Dogecoin 6%, Cardano 5%, Shiba Inu 7%. I like how Shiba Inu is not pumping much, but it's dropping a lot. Like, Shiba Inu dropped significantly at 7%, which is one of the big ones in the top 10. If we go to the top 20, we got Uniswap, we got Shiba Inu, we got Near Protocol. What do we also have? We got WIF. Let's go. You see, WIF was exploding. WIF was exploding a lot, and then finally we see a two-digit drop in the last 24 hours. Pepe, there you go. So Pepe with Brett are some of those that did very well, but now are seeing major rejections, right? Now, all of those major rejections that we're seeing, guys, definitely take it as an opportunity, because you never know when the next dump is going to come. Jasmine coin with 8% as well, so really delicious dumps on Jasmine. It's exciting, guys, what we're seeing on the screen. As I've been saying right now, you know, the shakeout before the pump. When will that pump end? When will that dump end? I think 20 days for blood on the streets doesn't sound like a bad idea. Now, we got a question in the chat, which is not appearing here on my phone, but their question is, what do you think is coming up, guys? Blood or money, which is pump? Let me know, guys, because I mean, I think a lot of people want to know, and I already have my opinions. I already have the idea of what's to happen. But Shiba Inu right now, guys, definitely some whales decided to sell right here at this level, and they are continuously selling roughly at around 8 a.m. here Central Time, at 12, at 8 a.m., and we're seeing even more coming our way right now. What does that mean? It always means that blood on the streets comes right before the great news arrive. Nothing that we should be panicking when it comes to buying these levels. Let's see if I'm locked in. Last time I was locked in. No, it is not. Anyway, well, I'll make sure that in the next live I'm locked in here, just to show you my position. I should be probably $2,000 down on my Shiba Inu position. So $2,000, absolutely nothing, guys. I'm so used to being down because I'm a 2022 survivor. So whoever comes here in the chat and says something like ridiculous about it, hey guys, I'm a 2022 survivor, so nothing regarding that. Plus, we're not losing those $2,000 as we're gonna be higher, right? So for people who are watching and you're new in crypto, first thing I gotta tell you is this road is gonna be it's gonna be amazing, because we're basically at the end of the last drop, the final drop before the pump. It's just what it is, guys. You need at least 150 million. I need less than that, and I get the billion, buddy. So I'm really excited. What's going on, Snakey Eye? Happy to see you. Welcome to all the people. I'm seeing your comments. Johnny L in the house. Let's go. You got out of 17 cents on Dogecoin, I see. Hey, welcome, Mambist. Seeing all the comments, so we got great people watching. Now, let's go to the Fear and Greed Index and see how we are looking. Probably 60, 79. Well, I'm positive that this number is going to be 60 in the next 6 hours. Anywhere around the 69 or so, because obviously once you start seeing the red, there you go. So this is the opportunity that we've been waiting for, guys, to come in and start adding more last positions before the pump. The last 1 hour, we see the following. Core is still up. I cannot believe you. I cannot believe you. Core is 46, guys. No way. We were talking about Core yesterday, and it was at $2. And it went up. This is when you know market manipulation exists. Period. This is when you know market manipulation exists. Let's go to the trading view here. Look at that. Ooh. Give it up for Core, guys. Give it up for Core. Is there anything more inverse than what we're seeing right now on the screen? You have Core US, USD, OKX, you can buy it, putting 59 million volume right now. And then you have Shiba Inu blood on the streets because people are cashing out those positions at about 8% down. Welcome to crypto, right? That's what it is. Emily, what's going on, Emily? Happy to see you. Core was 30% yesterday. Yeah, I saw it. We talked about it in the live yesterday. Just kind of wanted to mention that for you. But it seems that we were still early yesterday on Core. You're seeing just a mega rise in the price. Wow. Anyway, any of you bought Core? Tell me. Doge and Shiba Inu already have, but signals bouncing on the bottom, so heads up. That's why I'm getting that 1 billion for sure, which if we get to 27, I'm buying more. And that's what I'm doing right now. Guys, can this be anything more clear than this? Jupiter, Core, Aptos, Bitcoin Cash, BGB, Leo, they're super up right now. I mean, when everything's falling apart, when the price bonk is 9% down. In the last week, let me get the week for you. I mean, right now you're seeing Bitcoin at 2.9%. Oh, Ethereum. You know, I sold my Ethereum, so I'm pretty happy. I had $5,000 of Ethereum right around here. No. Let me show you the week. So I got maybe around here or so. I got like $5,000 of Ethereum and I sold it. You know, so that trading helps. Right now I'm not trading Shiba Inu, which I'm fine, obviously, because I'm down, right? Which makes total sense. Why would I sell something that when I'm down? But I was able to sell my bread. Let me take a look at bread too, because let me see if I made the right choice. All right, it's not moving much actually. Oh wow, went to 64. I've been busy. I mean, it's work day, right? I'm not in my studio today. So it went to 64 bread. Okay, 10% down. So I mean, I still sold it at 70. So I'm happy. I was saving some money right there, because the goal right now for anyone who's, you know, paying attention, the goal, guys, is to have cash in hand. You need to have money on hand, because if you don't have money on hand, when you see big opportunities, you need to go in. You need to get in and start scooping up the dip. If not, you're gonna be losing those opportunities. Remember, this is our last time. This is our last chance before we see the pump of the bull market. So we are not gonna go back. I don't think so. To under $40,000, under $50,000. I don't really think so. I mean, Bitcoin is already too high. Let's go to BTC right now, 68,000. We have about 20 plus days, and this is the way the month looks like. Let's go to Trading View. So this is it. Trading View for BTC. This was 13th of March 13 at $73,000. But in one day, on March 11, went from $67,000 to $72,000, right? So how fast and furious we can change prices just like this. So I'm positive, guys, that you know, better things are coming. I'm getting so many emails. That's crazy. Let's take a look at the live chat, guys. Welcome. Don't buy only BTC or BCH. Crow with knife on Solana. How much do you think Shiba Inu could reach? Shiba Inu is going to be reaching past 301. So my position at 403 is amazing. That's an easy 3x on Shiba Inu. Easy. I'm saying like minimum 301, right? Minimum 301, everybody. Let's get everybody in the house, guys. We're watching the price breakdown, some sell-offs. Don't forget to smash the like button right now and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome everybody who's here. You know, do appreciate you guys stopping by and watching with me the blood a little bit. Remember, 3 weeks ago we were in this situation. 3 weeks ago, you and I were in this situation where, you know, it's just opportunities. Then 2 weeks ago, we were super high at 4032. Everybody was really happy. People were like, let's go to the moon. But then now we're back at 4028. So it's just a few decimals, and that's it. Things can change very fast. So don't let this shake you up. No panic. Happy to see a lot of great videos on Shiba Inu already from friends of mine, colleagues of mine on YouTube. We're reminding you guys, we're reminding the audience, right? That it's just the way that it is, that we already been waiting for, we have already waited for 4 years. I was teaching right now, you know, as a professor here at my workplace, and I'm telling the guys that halving is coming in 20 days, that we waited 4 years for that. No one in my class is paying attention. Like, no one cares. The retail investors, they're not even investors, I believe so, but the retail people don't know what's going on. Those are the people that eventually are going to be joining us in the crypto space in due time. Millions of heads, millions of people are going to be joining crypto, but when they see it already at a price that we all are talking about it, nobody's going to join crypto if the prices are down. Been watching you daily. 1 billion Shiba Inu strong. Let's go. Hey, appreciate that. Thank you. Anyone else having issues with Coinbase? Oh boy. Don't, please don't. Coinbase, can you do something right? Well, Base is doing pretty decent actually. So let's go ahead and take a look at some Mr. Beast. I'm quitting YouTube. I wonder what day it is. I wonder what day it is, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at this space here. Hashtag Bitcoin. Some pretty cool news, guys, that we are seeing. Bitcoin hash rate has tripled since the last all-time high, despite its price. Coinbase is a mess. I know. Breaking, Tether just bought 8,800 more Bitcoin worth $629 million. They now hold 5.2 billion in Bitcoin. Guys, when you're selling, when you're panic selling and running away because you cannot withstand the blood on the streets, guess what the whales are doing? They are buying your BTC. They are buying your crypto. Don't sell to whales. Don't sell to whales. Because then you're gonna be paying premium price for the whale Bitcoin. You're gonna be paying premium price for my Shiba Inu that I'm not selling right now. Is that like a good strategy? Do you think so? I don't think so, right? 11 years ago today, Bitcoin reached $100 for the first time. 11 years ago today, guys, Bitcoin reached $100. Oh boy. You know what sounds pretty awesome? That in 11 years from now, we can say 11 years ago, Shiba Inu was 4 zeros. Tell me in the comments right now, I'm watching. What do you think the price will be in 11 years from now for Shiba Inu? What price do you think we're gonna see for Shiba Inu in 11 years from now? And I'll tell you what I think. So crazy, guys. DCA, that's the answer. For sure, April Fools on us. All right, I'm getting some numbers right now. 500 people watching. Welcome, guys. Oscar Ramos live. So $1, $1, 3 zeros, 0, 1, 0, 1 penny, 207, $2, $15, $1, $1, $50, $20,000, 2 cents, $10, 15 cents, 15 cents, 50 cents, 309, 1 cent. All right. Realistically speaking, guys, here's what I'm gonna tell you. This is where you come to this channel. You don't come to this channel for me to say we're gonna be $1. There's many out there. You can go and then make sure that your desires are fulfilled. In 11 years from now, Shiba Inu will still be a trillion level supply. That's guaranteed. Guaranteed. Take it to the bank. In 11 years from now, if Shiba Inu continues existing, because you never know, Shiba Inu will be a trillion level supply. That cannot change. Putting that aside, Shiba Inu cannot reach $1 just by pure tokenomics. Period. So where do we stand then? Okay, we stand where Shiba Inu now in 11 years from now, we are passing 1, 2, 3, and even 4. So at least 3 bull markets. This one, the 2028, 2031, and possibly the 2033, 2034 per se. So about three bull markets. 3 bull markets, guys. 3 bull markets. You are looking at minimum, Shiba Inu putting at minimum, guys. We're looking in the 2 zeros. 2 zeros, I think so. 2 zeros shouldn't be a problem in my eyes. 1 penny is too much, but 2 zeros. Why 2 zeros? Why 2 zeros? Here's why 2 zeros. Because if we go to 2 zeros right now, guys, that is over 1 trillion market capitalization Shiba Inu. I don't have to go and compare because I already know it. It's right here. It's right here. 201, 202, 203 Shiba Inu is over 1 trillion market cap. It's Bitcoin's market cap right now. So in 11 years from now, I can almost guarantee you Bitcoin is going to be well past $100,000, of course. So Bitcoin should be anywhere in the $500,000, $1 million, over $1 million price or so. That is obviously going to be dozens of trillions of dollars in market capitalization, or close to 10 trillion in market capitalization for BTC, meaning that a meme coin like Shiba Inu could be passing the 1 trillion, no problem. You see how I do my math? I'm not just saying, oh, $1, guys, because $1 Shiba Inu, you're talking about hundreds of trillions of market cap. That is insanity, right? But comparing to BTC, I think Shiba Inu could easily pass the 4 zeros, the 3 zeros, and be in the 2 zeros. If you're enjoying this stream, guys, like the button right now. Let more people come into the conversation. I'm seeing the comments right here, and let's go. Also, if you want to get my indicator, guys, first link down below. Lux Algo really helps a lot, especially right now as you're seeing up here on the screen how above me I have it activated, so it tells you really when to buy, when to sell, and when to have some good opportunities. $200, $100. It will never amount to more than 2 zeros down. Carlos is saying that. April Fools, Emily says. Thanks for keeping it real, Billy says. Why these woke fudders even waste their time on your show? Behoves me. They must all be broke. Understand one thing, and thank you, Billy, for that. Fudders coming to streams, fudders coming to comments, fudders coming and trying to do something which they accomplished nothing. It's another needed indicator that we are getting closer to the pump, that we are getting closer to the end of the tunnel, that we're seeing the light. We need the fudders. We always need those people who don't understand but are always trashing on everything. So as someone who's been in the space for a while, many years, I'm already used to. So I'm happy to see it, guys. Car pumping, really? I'm so happy to see that. Some in the DEX tools, the ones that are probably not listed but doing decent. Oh, come. Anyone from the car army watching? Drop a comment right now, guys. I want to see you. Come on. Where's my crow fam watching here? Look at that whale, bro. Not bad. Not bad. That's really good. Back to 8 zeros too. Let's go, Ham. Let's go. For those who don't know, this is a meme coin that I bought. And I'm making money. Guys, I mean, because here's the deal. Like, there's a lot of opportunities in the blue chip sector, especially right now when we're seeing some sell-offs happening. So definitely have the chance to fill up your bags of Cronos, Ethereum, BTC, Cardano, or whatever you want. But I think for sure, if you find a good community, a good token or so, give it a try. Give it a try for sure. Shiba Inu sell enough? Just a little bit, buddy. Just a little bit. You got a good Easter. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Do you still have the 1 trillion call? No, no longer the 1 trillion call. No longer the 1 trillion call. We got some profits along the way. I'm really, really happy to see the 7/0/21. 7/0/21. Man, that's awesome. Refreshing right now. Refreshing right now. You know, some other meme coins in Cronos are getting listed by crypto.com. That is amazing. But it says, yeah, they got me. I think it's a joke, right? It's a joke. Yeah, I saw it 3 hours ago. And I'm like, oh, that's great. But there's no gift. They got me. You know, I trust the community so much, but it's all right. That's a good one. It's April Fool's Day. We're gonna see that. Oh man, Core. So let's go to Core right now because it's doing really good. Guys, Core is sending very nice. Look at this, man. No way. Let's go ahead and put it right here for a second. I need some water. Nice. Well, how ironic to see some tokens sending and Shiba Inu and other ones selling. Some send, some sell. It happens all the time, right? Let's see who is the biggest loser. Pepe Coin is the biggest loser. I also sold Pepe Coin for profit. Ooh, Pepe Coin is actually sending really nicely to under 77 soon. We had a nice Pepe Coin sell off here on the at 12. Now it's coming back down. Bonk is another one that it's very much sold off. Gala is another one that we're seeing the destruction of the token right now in the price. While Core, like, isn't this amazing? A complete reversal. Floki, there you go. Floki also selling out. Like, people are just taking the profits because they're expecting maybe some lower prices ahead. That's what's happening. That's what's going on here. I was invested in Shiba Inu when it went to 407 in 2021, but I know we can hit that all-time high again. Yeah, you're right. We can definitely hit all-time high Shiba Inu again. Absolutely. We can and we will. And we must, because if not, I don't think people are gonna have the patience to do it. It's like all the money's coming from Floki, Pepe, Shib, and Bonk, and it's all being injected into Core right now. That's, I think, what's happening. Yeah, you're seeing it right there on the screen, guys. We are seeing it very, very, very clearly. Ay, 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 qué rico. Shiba Inu is not the biggest loser, so I think we should be grateful for that. Maybe. Should be happy that at least there's some other big losers, and they happen to be the meme coins that they were pumping higher than Shiba Inu. For your information, Pepe, Floki, Bread pumping higher than Shiba Inu. But Shiba Inu is not the one selling the most right now. This is Bread, went to 63, coming back up right now, but eventually could be going down shortly. Jasmine, also some blood on the street. Now I wonder, right, if this is gonna be the way for all April, which I hope not, and I don't think so. But because it's April 1st, just make sure that you get some great positions. Right now, we're about to hit 27 once again, and I'm about to buy more. As soon as we hit 27, I buy more. You see it right there on the screen. Because I'm adding. Thank you so much for the kind super chat. Appreciate that. Welcome to the 600 people watching. Hey, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. If we get more people in the house, more people watching and enjoying the conversation, you have the chat open. Is it a good time to buy Shiba Inu right now? Yes. Why? Well, because we're not at all-time high. It's bleeding. But I'm buying little by little. I'm not putting... I already did my all-in, so I'm happy about it. It's just that right now we're doing smaller purchases. And that's it. Oscar, 3-day weekend. Didn't realize today it's a holiday tomorrow and we should have a moment. Giovanni in the house. Coinbase down? No. You're kidding. How in the world? No. You are joking, right? You are joking. Please. No. Oh, yeah. Because, guys, what is the hope? What is the hope that we need, that we have for this bull market again? Like, Coinbase, are you joking me right now, man? Coinbase bugging once again. Really? When we need you the most. Shouldn't be, crashing or so, Coinbase. Yeah, it seems to be that way. It seems to be that way for Coinbase right now. Wow. No, I cannot try here. All right, about to be 27, so planning to buy like $100 and just let it come down. What's going on, Gaius Julius? Welcome. Coinbase is working for me. Let's go. The most trusted crypto exchange. I know, right? I will advise people to go away from Coinbase. Well, I mean, I'm using other applications to buy, right? As you probably know. I don't really have anything on Coinbase right now. I mean, I like them when it comes to the base chain, what the future entails, but it is what it is. Well, guys, 27 is there. 27 is there, so people are not trying, but it's coming down. It's coming down. Because if I buy right now on BingX, I'm not gonna get it at 27. I'm gonna get it like around 28. So I need to see the price of Shiba Inu like at 27.80, 27.90, because when you buy, sometimes you are buying it at a higher price. So I don't want to do that. I want my price to be 27. That's what I want. If it keeps dropping, that just means that you can get more, and when it rockets, we're good. Absolutely, 100%. Guys, it's just 20 more days for Bitcoin halving. We passed Bitcoin halving. We have a major dump or major pump. Something like that is coming. Anything that we're seeing right now is all going to be wiped away by a major pump, godlike candlestick. So for that, I'm not even worried. Chris front runs the market with several spin-ups, so the app doesn't go down. Crypto.com. Oscar, learn from you. 2,000 of Shiba Inu at 4028 just to trade later. Giovanni, let's go. Yeah, because you're using the Lux algo indicator, right? So we're really at the 15 minute on the indicator right now. However, we are not putting a price much higher than the Neo Cloud, which means that the trend might continue going lower. So watch out with that. Adding more insights to the indicator helps. So you're getting the best deal, right? We haven't really popped off with the price of SHIB in a while. Like we haven't even reached the high price since March 28 at 32. So until we do it, anything that we're buying here is just a good discount. But you see how we're not passing the Neo Cloud right here? It was consolidated, 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 and then finally a breakdown in the price. But that breakdown, you better enjoy it while you can, because if we go back to the 30s, everything that you've been buying is profit. Everything you've been buying is profit, guys. So just check it out, watch out. Let's go to the 15 minutes. I'm gonna wait a little bit because I know we're going to under 27 a little bit more, so I just gotta be patient here. Let's go to the coin market cap right here and see what's bleeding. 68,500. Core is dominating 100%. But this is what CFX, Ondo, Pepe, with Ordi. At least Shiba Inu is not the biggest loser, and that means a lot for us. We don't want to be the biggest loser here. Coinbase connection trouble. We're working on a fix. Oh, really? Did they post something or what? Let's do Coinbase support, maybe. March 7th, 24th, 5th. No, they have nothing. View all. Coinbase assets, Coinbase exchange, Coinbase international, Coinbase. There's so many things about Coinbase right now. Yeah, there's nothing here yet. Nothing here yet. Oh, there it is. There it is. Well, that's for disabled trading. Gotcha. I think right now everybody is just like, ooh. Cronos also going down a little bit. That's not bad. Getting some opportunities, pump and dump trading. Trending here in the US. So yeah, some of the markets right now are reacting kind of bearish at the beginning of April 2024. There it is. That's what I was waiting for. That's what I was waiting for. So guys, if you haven't done so, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. There's my link. We're seeing 700 votes, and more people are saying money. More people want the money, guys, right? We don't want to see that. We don't want to see that. We don't want to see the big breakdown crash in the price, right? I get it, guys. I get it. Where can you buy core? Well, take a look at the markets on CoinMarketCap for sure. You were able to purchase on Coinbase right now, but got the error message. Oh, really? You got an error message. How surprising. These dips don't bother me. You have to keep your eye on the halving. Until then, it's going to be a ride. Agree. Yeah, guys, it's just, once again, we're making these lives just to remind everybody that you should be okay. You should be patient, and things are gonna get better. Eventually, they're gonna get better, guys. Now, how much money do I have? Let me go ahead and take a look at my BingX account right now. Okay, I'm looking at my BingX account, and we're looking at my portfolio. This is my current position on Shiba Inu. I'm 9.34% down, $2,000 down, $2,000 down. All right. Down on Jasmine, down on TRX, down on CAS, down on LUNC. We got $7,000 to spend. It's not bad. And now people are buying at 27. I'm risking not buying yet. You see how easy and how fast things move? I was about to get in a position and it's back at 28. Oh man, these people are not letting me get my position. I'm so happy I sold bread too because it's going down too. I sold my bread for like a little bit of profit. So yeah, I want to have it open so whenever I see that Shiba Inu is at 27 again, I'm getting another $100. And eventually I'll get to my 1 billion, guys, and that's it. I'm not touching that. And once I get to my 1 billion, then I'm gonna once again go back to my trading. And if I do the trading, then I'll be making some decent cash as I'm gonna be buying and selling Shiba Inu, but I already have my long-term position on SHIB, right? Remember, I didn't buy at 4045, I didn't buy at 4039, I didn't buy at 4035, I didn't buy at 4032. I bought all the way down to 4028. Sorry, 30. What am I saying? 30. So anything that I'm buying right now is gonna be much cheaper and I'm gonna be pretty happy. Pretty happy. Eventually, when Shiba Inu starts doing a major pump, we're gonna be passing 31, 32 fast, then 35, and all my money is now in the money. All my positions are in the money right now by then. So once we pass 4045, that's gonna be the highest price in 2024, 2023 for Shiba Inu, and I'll be making at least $7,000. $8,000, $10,000. So yeah, I think I'm gonna be super good. Those $30,000 investors are gonna be well worth it. Should be looking at a 6-digit balance by the time we reach all-time high of 408. That should be closer to the 6-digit balance. I just wonder how fast it's gonna happen because definitely it won't be easy to reach to those levels, but the bull market is gonna make it all worth it. Thanks so much for the super chat, and you say sell my Shiba Inu at 403 for a better position now. Well, you're already down, right? If you bought it at 403, it means that you're already down. So I get what you're saying. And that is one of the first reactions we want to do when we are in this situation, but that is your emotions acting up on you, buddy. I cannot tell you what to do, right? But don't let emotions come at you right now. Be strong. It is not guaranteed that we're going to be dropping all the way to 4019. Remember, like, it's only about a few more weeks until we have the halving and things change or things do much better. And once the Bitcoin starts rallying once again after a nice correction, then it won't be stopped. It won't be stopped. The reason we're freaking out because we got really big down, we haven't seen this in a while. It's true. It's true. I will enter Shiba Inu here. The lows are in. Yeah, the lows are in a way because we're already touching the bottom on this one. In the 1 hour, we're already down on the bottom too. 4 hours, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. So realistically, in the 4 hour price of Shiba Inu, we're looking back at 4024. Like, you gotta zoom out a little bit to see where the price might be heading. Let's go back to core that finally is becoming like a human right now by selling off, which is good. Following the market a little bit. But in the 4 hours right now for SHIB, this is what, let me go ahead and clear this for a second. This is what's happening for Shiba Inu. All right. There it is. There it is. So 3 to 3, 3 2 to 8, 2 3, 3 2 to 8. Those are the levels that we've been watching all March as we were coming higher, consolidated, and now breakdown. It is not guaranteed we're gonna go back to 23, but I'm telling you, like, that's what we're watching. And buying your way down, it's honestly a really good strategy, because once it all changes, and oof, that's it. We're not gonna be seeing these prices again. We're just not gonna see these prices again. That will be it. Thanks so much for the super chat, buddy. Appreciate it. And welcome to the 700 people watching us right now. Let's go. Ramos, I can only let this secret. This is buy a dip before bull run and new all-time high. So this is taking opportunity. Summer will be green. Thank you, Kazu. Appreciate your thoughts. Appreciate your comments. 100% I agree with you. 100% I agree with you. Of course. Guys, we're no longer in a bear market. We're no longer in 2022. This is not 2023 or so. We're just days away. Like, anything that you can buy at these levels, put it for a long term and forget it. Buy and forget. That's it. Buy and forget is not a bad, it's not a bad strategy when you're thinking about getting in. So first thing I'm gonna say is, like, we went to 27 and now rejected, right, by a little bit, a few decimals. So 27 is the lowest we've had Shiba Inu right now. If I'm bringing the price indicator, 27 by a major dump at 12 today. I haven't bought a 27. I want to. I so want to, but I just haven't. When I was about to do it, the price went up. I couldn't. And since I don't have my studio, and so it's hard for me to put my price triggers. So I'm trying to wing it here while I'm talking to you. JB in the house, welcome, buddy. Happy to see you. You only lose if you sell in red. 100% agree. 100% agree. Let's go ahead and pay the bills. Thank you so much, guys. We are 800 votes in. Money, money, money is what's happening right now. The monies. Strongly agree. I'm watching here on my phone. Buy, and nothing else. So smart the people, of course. To be honest, I'm holding for a 4.26. Yeah, because we do have our levels, right? We do have our levels to come in, and then I think that's going to be pretty cool. We need to be like Pac-Man and Waka Waka. Crazy. Why are people freaking out? I am chilling drinking Guinness. Let's go, bro. You know, the good beer. I like that. Yeah, guys, this is really exciting. Let's go back to the Twitter and see the latest. So 7,000 Bitcoin transfer to Coinbase Institutional, and you know what happens in Coinbase Institutional, right? What happens is people sell most of the time. Most of the time. $50 million USDC burned at the treasury. Okay. The SEC is a good faith regulator. April Fools. I like that. I like that. It's really good. Tom Emmer coming out with the guns, with the big jokes. Shiba Inu giving a huge shout out right now to the Bone, has been voted #1 People Choice in Market Coinpedia. Incredibly grateful for the support. It's really good for Bone. Justin, BlackRock and Fidelity, guys, now hold 346,715 Bitcoin, worth over $27.27 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETF. Remember, no dips. Guys, if you're not buying, the whales are. That's it. Welcome to the shake-up before the pump, before the breakout. I'm a 2022, 2023 bear market survivor. This is nothing to me. This is nothing to me. Blood on the streets is what I desire now. Because if back in the day, in 2022, 2023, we had some of the most and worst times in the crypto history, where we lost people, we lost communities, we lost institutions, we lost so much money, billions of dollars, and yet we survived and we came back. Right now, as we're about to be passing the halving and we're about to be seeing a major bull market run, no, guys, this is a chance that you live every 4 years. A chance that you live every 4 years. The whales are shaking out the paper hands. It happens, buddy. Oscar, will you be live when the Bitcoin halving happens? That is the best questions. That's the best question of today. April 20th. What is that? That is going to be a Saturday, of course. Of course. That's a Saturday. Let's go. Yes, guys. Let's go ahead and do a massive live stream on Bitcoin halving. Of course, I gotta be live. Guys, we're gonna be thousands of people watching here. It's gonna be so fun. Music all the way through the roof. Yes. And Ka is making me money. How's Ryoshi doing, actually? That's another meme coin that I got in on Cronos. It's doing decent. I'm making money on my 2 meme coins, actually, so that's really good. I'm happy to see that. Happy to see that. We're looking, Oscar. Best question, of course. I'm hearing this was a retest for Bitcoin at the previous all-time high. What is your prediction for the week for Shiba Inu, the market? We're looking good. Right now, it's obviously the beginning of the month of the halving, and there's blood because whales are trying to shake out people. But I'm buying the dips. I'm very happy to see the dips are moving our way. And whatever happens, guys, just have cash in hand. You know, if you see drops like this, you go in. If you see drops like this, you go in. JB looking at BT Cronos. Another one on Cronos, a new one. Ka, yes, it's doing really good. It's doing really, really, really good. So how exciting, guys. How exciting, honestly. Today we're gonna be watching and posting more content for you. For today, I mean, Right now, I see just people trying to make as much profit as possible before they send it once again. According to Crypto Robber, a big explosive Bitcoin breakout is imminent. See right here. If we go to the, what is the candle for this? This is the 12-hour, the 12-hour Bitcoin. So every 12 hours right now, we're seeing the pump in the 25th, the consolidation at the end of March, the drop of April, and now this is what's going on. Guys, get your crypto as soon as possible. Because when we pump, that's it. That's it. When we pump, that's it. Nothing more, but we told you, right? Bullish. Bullish. What is going on from the UK? Guys, there's no better tweet than what I'm showing you right now. There's no better tweet than what I'm showing you right now. Super bullish. Thank you, Jim Cramer. Thank you so much. Send it, confirm, boom. Finally happening. That's the major bull signal that we were waiting for. So 30 minutes ago, history repeating. The exponential rally is next. This was 2020 rally, 2020 all-time high right here. And then we went through the roof. I'm going to actually save this one. Let's open up in a new tab. Let's analyze it for a second. So this was 2020, October or so. And we dropped about 17% before pumping all the way to the moon to pass $40,000. This was the Bitcoin 2020 all-time high around the weekly. Just to give you an idea, guys, what we're expecting, you just have to be patient for a couple of weeks, buying the dip, and you're gonna be on the other side of the aisle. And this one is what's going on right now for 2024. We are right here. This is April. We're finally seeing some red. The 17% came up already to $61,000 to $60,000, which I remember. I remember that one in March. So there's a chance that we finally start sending this. Oh boy. Now I want to buy more. Because this is the chance, guys. This is our chance for sure. Get ready. Now that I have a lot of you guys watching, I just wanted to say whoever was watching at this time, the live right now, or whoever watches this on a playback, thank you, fam. Because it seems that we're gonna be passing $100,000 this 100,000. What am I saying? 100,000 subscribers this year, and I want to say to you right now before we get to that mark, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be doing this. Appreciate a lot of my mods, my members, the donors, the people who are coming back and posting a lot. Look, I ate my lunch and I immediately am talking to you guys here about crypto because I don't really find entertainment outside of crypto. It's hard to say it, but I don't know. We already become these people, crazy degens, that we're all about crypto nowadays. Nobody, or really a few people around me, understand what we're going through. People are confused or just distracted by a lot of the things that are entertaining the masses, and people are just not paying attention. But yeah, I mean, appreciate you guys. You can totally see the honesty, the original, and the color of this channel, and we're building so much that big things are ahead. This is just barely starting. So 100,000 subscribers, we're gonna do something pretty special. I got my ideas already. I'm not gonna say it to anybody, but I got some good giveaways for you guys. And 2024 seems to be that year. So not only we're gonna be passing $1 Cronos, 100,000 subscribers, passing Shiba Inu all-time high, creating the Spanish channel, because for my community in Spanish, for sure, I mean, that's a big one. There's a lot of big changes coming our way. So hope to see you all once we grow. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mike. JB in the house. Thank you, buddy. Best crypto YouTuber out there. Thank you, JB. Appreciate that a lot, bro. Shiba Inu gonna hit 4 zeros. No, what is it? 5 zeros 5? No, I don't think so. 5 zeros 5 is already gone for Shiba Inu. Hi, Oscar. I'm not scared of the blood. I bought more. That's super cool. Thank you, Board. Thank you, Board. Appreciate that, buddy. Woof. Team Oscar, let's go. Please, Oscar, would you be covering Dogecoin Mars in the future? Not really. I don't see me covering Dogecoin, but we can always mention it and see how it is, how it's looking for sure. Now, what am I waiting for? What am I watching? 27, 26 for Shiba Inu, because I'm always greedy and you know me. So always pay attention to those levels. And I'm gonna post this because I think this is very important. I'm gonna send it your way here in the chat. Take a look at that from Crypto Robber. I do see it as valuable information because you wanna be ready. Don't expect everything's gonna collapse. No, it is not. Just a little bit of retracements before the massive rally once off. So Bitcoin BTC, we have the privilege to see it right here happen, guys. So having one is gonna mean a lot for sure. 4 zeros, yeah, because there's so many zeros right there. 4 zeros 5, yes, we're gonna be back to 4 zeros 5, buddy. Thank you. The last month for March, we had a great one, but now we'll see who's going to be the winner for 2024 April as we have the Bitcoin halving. Whatever happens, always have your cash in hand, guys, and I think you should be ready to see it, all right? It should be fun. All right. Oscar Army, let's go, Snakey Eye. Appreciate that a lot. To 209, hold on that. Don't even worry about that. Don't even worry about that. Don't even worry right now about 1 0, 2 zeros. Don't worry about those. Our objective right now is 3 zeros 1. That's it. If it's going to go to 1 cent, 2 zeros 1, 1 0, no. 3 zeros right now, passing all-time high, getting us back up to $100,000 BTC. Those are the first things that have to happen. They need to happen for us to even consider other stuff. All right. Let's see. BT. Look at Shiba Inu. I didn't buy at 28 right here because I'm waiting for 27 once again, and we're seeing maybe 27 once again right here. Come on, buddy. Keep it up. You see? Just being patient. Go ahead and grab my log salgo indicator, guys. First link down below because you can recognize these trends and help you a lot. 30-day money back guarantee, and you support the channel a lot. And I'm so happy that over 40 people have subscribed, are using it, and it's really exciting to see people win. Really exciting to see people win. All right, so there's a 27. Let me see if I see 27 on BingX right here. Yes, I see 27. So buy. Ah, come on, 27.99. No. Okay. Well, shortly. I was literally about to type the number that I want to buy, and then okay, soon I'm gonna be watching. But that's what I'm doing right now, adding to my positions when my levels come. That's what I'm doing right now. All right, guys. So, JB, if you want to remind everybody about the group, that'll be awesome. JB is going to be posting the link right now. But thank you so much for coming in, guys, to all the members, the subscribers, the viewers, the new people coming into the space. Oscar Ramos Live, a space where you can ask any question and then we'll go ahead and help you out. There's my Patreon link down below if you want me to give you, more tips one-on-one or more. You got it. Take a look at it. It's all in the description. JB has already posted that link. If you're loving Cronos, crypto.com, car, and all the memes, join completely for free. We just passed 1,500 members, and it is just the beginning, guys. It's gonna get really exciting. But for Shiba Inu, okay, it's 27 once again. It's trying. But anyway, I'll be probably buying today more, and I'll tell my Discord community everything what I'm buying and selling. So FYI, they go first. But please take care, be safe, and I'll see you next time. Smash the like button, guys, before you leave. And I thank you so much. Let's go ahead and end the poll right now and see who won. Nice. Let's see who won. And the crypto is heading to 57% winning the money and 42% blood, meaning people want cash right now. People want cash. All right. Thanks, guys. Catch you later, and I'll see you on Telegram and Discord. Peace. Let's go. Thanks, everybody. You take care. The shakeout before the pump. You know how it is. Bye.